0. Okay, very good. First question, add 10, again add 10, again add 10, again add 10, add 50, minus 90, add 60, minus 10, minus 50, add 80, minus 20, minus 10, minus 50, add 90, minus 10, again minus 10, minus 70, add 60, minus 10. Now the answer is 50. Very good. Nallora clap kodukane. Okay, then next question, tens road and ones road direct question aanu. Two hand use cheyidu cheyuka. Clear your abacus. Clear abacus value is 0. Okay, then question is add 11, again add 11, minus 22, add 55, minus 55, add 66, minus